Welcome to the enchanting world of beauty and self-care. Beauty is not just about makeup, it's about feeling good in your own skin. This journey is all about discovering what makes you glow from the inside out. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the beauty that blossoms within you.
A consistent skincare routine is the foundation of any beauty regimen. It keeps your skin healthy, glowing, and ready for makeup. Without it, even the best makeup won't look its best. Regular skincare removes dirt and impurities. This prevents clogged pores and breakouts. Moisturizing keeps skin hydrated and supple. Consistency ensures maximum benefits. Your skin will thank you. Building a skincare arsenal can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Start with the basics and gradually add products as you learn more about your skin's needs. Here are some must-have products to get you started. First, a gentle cleanser is essential. Next, a good moisturizer is a must. Sunscreen is another non-negotiable. Lastly, consider adding a serum to your routine. With these essentials, you'll be on your way to healthy, glowing skin. Separate day and night routines can make a big difference. Your skin has different needs at different times. In the morning, focus on protection and hydration. Start with a gentle cleanser, follow with a toner. Finish with moisturizer and sunscreen. At night, focus on repair and rejuvenation. Start with a thorough cleanse. Use active ingredients like retinol. Finish with a rich moisturizer. Consistency is key for a radiant glow. Achieving a flawless complexion with foundation. Foundation is the base of any makeup look. It evens out your skin tone. Choose the right foundation for your skin type. Apply with a brush, sponge, or fingers. You'll have a flawless complexion. Selecting the right foundation for your skin type. Selecting the right foundation is crucial for a flawless look. Your skin type determines which foundation will work best for you. With the right product, you can achieve a flawless, natural look. Eye makeup essentials, daytime looks. Eye makeup can transform your look. For daytime, keep it subtle and fresh. Start with a neutral eyeshadow palette. Apply a light shade as a base. Use a darker shade in the crease. Blend well. Define with brown or gray eyeliner. Finish with mascara. Keep it simple and natural. Enhance your features without being too dramatic. Section 8. Eye makeup essentials. Evening and special occasion looks. Evening and special occasions call for a more dramatic eye makeup look. Play with bold colors and shimmers. Start with a primer to ensure your eyeshadow stays put. Choose deeper, vibrant shades. Use a darker shade in the crease for depth. Add shimmer to the center for sparkle. With these tips, you'll have stunning eyes for any special occasion. Section 9. Lip products. Choosing the perfect shade. Choosing the perfect lip shade can enhance your natural beauty. Here are some tips to help you choose the right shade. First, consider your skin tone. Fair skin tones look great with pinks, peaches, and nudes. Medium skin tones can rock berry, mauve, and rose shades. Dark skin tones look stunning in deep reds, plums, and browns. Experiment to see what complements your skin tone best. Section 10. Lip products. Application techniques for long-lasting wear. Applying lip products correctly can make them last longer and look better. Start with exfoliation to remove dead skin. Follow with a lip balm to hydrate your lips. Use a lip liner to define your lips and prevent feathering. Apply your lipstick with a brush for precision. Blot and apply a second layer for extra staying power. With these techniques, your lip color will stay vibrant all day. Embracing self-confidence and self-care in beauty. Beauty is not just about the products you use, it's also about how you feel. Embrace self-confidence and self-care to feel truly beautiful. Incorporate these elements into your routine. Beauty comes from within. Practice self-love and positive affirmations. Believe in your own beauty and worth. Make time for self-care. Self-care rituals boost your mood and well-being. When you feel good, it shows. Surround yourself with positivity. Follow inspiring beauty influencers and communities. Share your journey and learn from others. Beauty is a personal journey. Embrace your unique beauty and take care of yourself. With confidence and self-care, you'll shine from the inside out. Beauty blossoms when you feel good about yourself.